Dear student, today we discuss the integral of a sin x plus b cos x divided by p sin x plus q cos x. This trigonometrical integration has a, b, p and q are constant value and attached with the sin and cos x. So the main step for solving this question is the numerator value, that means a sin x plus b cos x is written in form of numerator is equal to lambda times of denominator. That means this value is here denominator and this one is numerator. So right here numerator is equal to lambda times of denominator and plus mu times of differentiation of denominator. So the main step is numerator is equal to lambda times of denominator plus mu times of derivatives of the denominator, and after comparing both sides we get the value of lambda and mu. These are also constant value, and solve this type of integration. So we discuss a question to be based on this pattern. So main step is, again I repeat, that numerator is equal to lambda times of denominator plus mu time and multiply by derivatives of the denominator, and after comparing both all the constant are correct, and we solve this type of integration. So I solve this question. Our integration I is equal to integral value of 2 sin x plus 3 cos x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 times of cos x dx. Yes, here numerator is 2 sin x plus 3 cos x and denominator is 3 sin plus 4 times of the cos x. So we write this question in this step. Numerator is equal to, and here numerator value is 2 sin x plus 3 times of cos x is equal to lambda times of denominator value, and here the denominator is 3 sin x plus 4 times of cos x and plus mu times of derivatives of the denominator. So we easily write the derivatives of sin x is cos x and derivatives of cos x is negative sin x. So 3 cos x and derivative of cos is minus sin. So write here minus 4 times of sin x. Now we compare both sides. Then comparing here the coefficient of sin x is 2, and in right hand side the coefficient of sin x is 3 times of lambda and negative 4 mu is the coefficient of sin x. So the coefficient of sin x is 3 lambda, and here the coefficient is negative 4 and multiplied by mu, that is minus 4 times of mu is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. And the coefficient of cos x, and here the coefficient of cos x is 4 times of lambda, and the coefficient in this term is 3 times of mu, positive 3 times of mu is equal to 3. We have two linear equations and we solve at first both the a linear equation and get the value of lambda and mu and put in this step and solve the integral value. So yes, we solve this linear equation by any method. Then I write here 3 times of lambda. We solve by the equation by elimination of the variable. So I multiply this equation by 3 and this one by 4. So 9 lambda negative 12 times of mu is 6 and multiply by 4, there is 16 lambda and positive 12 times of mu is equal to 12. So here is 25 lambda is 18 and value of lambda is 18 divided by 25. There is a first constant, unknown constant lambda is 18 by 25 and we put these values in this equation. Then 3 multiply 18 upon 25 is 54 divided by 25 negative 4 times of mu is equal to 2 and here 54 divided by 25 negative 2 divided by 1 is 4 times of mu and the LCM is 25. Here is 54 negative 50 is equal to 4 times of mu and 54 minus 50 is 4 divided by 25 is equal to 4 times and multiply by 4 and these 4 are cancelled. So the value of mu is 1 upon 25. Mu is equal to 1 divided by 25. Yes? Now we solve our question using these values of lambda and mu. Yes, given integral is I integral of 2 sin x plus 3 times of cos x divided by 3 times of sin x plus 4 times of cos x dx is equal to lambda times of denominator and lambda is 18. Yes, then the value of lambda is 18 divided by 25 and the right here lambda times of denominator of the given integral. So I write here integration of 3 sin x plus 4 times of cos x and divided by the term 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x and the value of mu is 1 divided by 25 and integral of the differentiation of denominator and the derivative of denominator is 3 cos x minus 4 times of sin x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Now we solve. Here is 18 divided by 25 and both terms are cancelled. Then write here 1 dx and positive 1 upon 25 is a constant and this integral 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by x plus 4 cos x. This is the equation number 1. Yes, in this integral, we use the substitutions method when we assume that 3 sin x plus 4 cos x as a t variable, then derivative is in numerator. So here the integral is dt upon t in next step. So the given integral I is equal to 18 divided by 25x, the integral value of 1, and plus 1 upon 25 and I1, where I1 is equal to this integral, and I solve this integral. I1 is equal to integration of 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Yes. Let the denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is equal to new variable t, and after differentiating 3 cos x minus 4 sin x dx is equal to dt. So the given integral I1 is equal to, in form of dt upon t, and integral of dt upon t is log of t, and value of t is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. This is our equation number 2, and by 1 and 2 the final answer is the integral I is equal to 18 divided by 25x and plus 1 upon 25 and value of I1, and I1 is equal to log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus constant c. So the above integration solved by the compare the numerator is equal to unknown constant lambda times of the denominator and plus mu times of derivatives of the denominator, and after comparing we get the value of the lambda and mu and solve the integral as above following process. Thank you for watching this video. In next videos we solve some different type of trigonometrical integral continuously. Okay, thanks.